So here's Monaco Vulcan 1 System Test 9. And believe it or not, it's one more until 10, so I might do something big for that. I'm not sure yet. Probably nothing too big. Don't ask me to do anything too big, but something kind of cool maybe. But besides that, let's just focus on 9 for now. And for the panel changes, you can kind of figure it out. So what do we have for a pull station and a notification appliance circuit? Well, you've never seen this one before, but it's a Mirtone 73303U. I'll say it again, 73303U. It's kind of like the BG8, that sort of thing. This cover here will fold forward. It will actually go down if it's on the wall, but in this case I'll be just pulling it up. And this thing over here, you're taking a look at it right now, it's a Wheelock 34-24. In reality, it's my Ademco UFH-24. However, I'll just simply refer it to the 3424 for simplicity purposes. And I'll show you the Ademco tag on the side here. Let's see if we can get a better view. Yeah, you can see a view right there. You can probably get a better view of the video I made for this thing. So, actually, I'm not going to be that mean. Let's just see if we can get a view on the side here. There we go. So without further ado, let's pull this thing. I don't know why I'm just looking at the panel. Anyways, let's pull the Mirtone pull station. 3, 2, 1. There we go, we just silenced it. Yeah, I know, it sounds kind of raspy, and FWR doesn't help. However, that could actually explain why I decided to set it on the side here. It tends to like it if the horn is, vertical, like it's supposed to be, but this is the next best thing since I'm not mounting it to a wall. If I had it like this, it would just not like it at all. So this is literally the next best thing. And I'll show you the pull station right here. Here's the data tag for it on the inside. Now as you can see, the model number is 73303U. That's what's highlighted there. And here's the pull station itself. Now before I can reset the panel, let's try to reset the panel. See, it's just simply going to go back into alarm because the switch is still closed, basically. It needs to be open in order to make sure it's not detecting that there's a potential fire in the building. So let's reset this thing. Here's a good look at the pull station. Might as well show you that. But anyways, this is how we reset it. What we have to do is stick a screwdriver in here. This is going to be a bit of a pain to do one-handed. It's going to be fun. May set the camera down. Okay, let's try to reset the pull station. I had to set the camera down. So what I have to do is stick a screwdriver in here. Basically put it under the metal spring that I showed you in there. Twist it to the side a little bit so it re-catches on. Slowly let the handle back in. There we go. There's probably a better explanation in that little diagram there. So you can follow that. So basically, now that the pull station's reset, let me just reset that there. We can now reset the panel. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed Monaco Vulcan 1 System Test 9. Like I said, I might have something sort of big for number 10. Nothing too big though. Don't request anything too crazy. But it might be something worthwhile to celebrate 10 system tests. So anyways, that's going to be it. Thank you for watching.